Are you a healthcare provider working in battlefield or austere environments with limited resources? Your setting likely differs dramatically from a typical U.S. hospital emergency department. Tactical ultrasound helps guide critical decisions in these challenging environments where standard tests and resources are scarce. It provides vital information to justify using precious resources or risking patient transport to higher levels of care. The POCUS for Tactical Combat and Casualty Care course at Gulfcoast Ultrasound Institute teaches essential trauma and acute care sonography skills. The curriculum aligns with American College of Emergency Physicians ultrasound practice guidelines, covering crucial applications like the focused assessment with sonography in trauma, fast exam, cardiac ultrasound, and ultrasound-guided procedures for vascular access and nerve blocks. Our blended learning format offers flexibility and cost savings. You'll get 15 months of unlimited access to the online POCUS for Tactical Combat and Casualty Care course, plus a hands-on scanning skills workshop at our St. Petersburg, Florida facility. With an industry-leading 3-to-1 participant-to-faculty ratio, you'll master skills you can immediately apply in practice. As the only GSA-approved ultrasound educator and a preferred military training provider, we understand the unique challenges of battlefield and austere healthcare. Our program focuses on applications that deliver the most value in resource-limited settings. Join us to experience the Gulfcoast Ultrasound difference.